Hey, so this is just a channel update. This is the third time I've recorded this. And so anyway, I'm just thinking you're probably not interested in a lot of the details of this, so I'm just kind of give you a short synopsis. I started this channel in 2013. It was basically, at the time, it was just for video hosting for my website, racetowalk.org. And in 2019, I started doing Bible study videos. And was pretty steady about doing Bible study videos for 2 years. And I also did weekly videos about books. So since then, because I've been doing these Bible study videos and putting these things out, there's been some other opportunities that have come up. I've been teaching in Pakistan. I have been doing a Sunday Bible study I'm rotating in as teaching on that. So anyway, so the Bible studies that I've been writing and creating, I've been doing more of them beyond what I've just been doing here on YouTube and Instagram. So that's a cool thing. It's just that I'm having to kind of reset how my time has been working. I used to have kind of like a pattern about how I would do things, and so this is kind of like requiring a little bit of a reset. The other thing is that I did start doing live streams, and I know that I make this more difficult on myself than I need to, but I really like having like intro elements and things like that, and that takes up a lot of time. So going forward, this is just an FYI, I'm going to have a book related video a week, and that is either going to be a pre-recorded video that I just publish on a schedule, or it's going to be a live stream. I'm not going to do a book video plus a live stream. If there's a live stream that week, it will just be that's the book related video. I've also started doing launch parties for An Unexpected Journal, and even though that's only quarterly, trust me, it takes a lot of time to get those together. So anyway, there's that. As far as the Bible study videos, right now I have 120 Bible study videos, and not all, some of those, the Book of Job, most of those are up also in written form and audio form on my website, racetowalk.org. My goal right now is working on getting the rest of, there's some lessons that are missing for various reasons. One, I didn't start writing out my stuff ahead of time until I was working on Job. Another time, my computer just crashed and I lost what I had written. So there's various reasons, but I'm working on getting that together. And as I go forward, my focus is going to be on, I want to try to have like that complete Bible study. So having it so I can do, have the written form and just have a process a little bit better. So far, the series that I have are, I have a series on the parables of Jesus, on the reasons for Easter, Hebrews through the Psalms, the I am statements of Jesus, and then the Book of Job. So those are 5. And I would like to, I think they're good. I think they're good Bible studies, and I want to get them in a format that isn't just on video. My plan, especially with Job, is to develop that into a book. If you want to be a beta reader, giving feedback on that, send me a message at contact@racetowalk.org, because I'm trying to figure out like what that should look like, how to translate those like in-person or at least live streamed Bible studies into a book form. So anyway, again, you want to be a beta reader, send me an email. So anyway, that's what I'm working on, but I'm also working on using some of those Bible studies in some other ways. For example, I started teaching in Pakistan, and some of the series that I've been working on with them, trying to figure out the best way of making that available beyond just the individual class that I've been working on. And also I started a Roku channel. It's called Bright Sheep Ministries, and so the interviews that I've done, the live streams I've done, are available there, but I also want to make the Bible studies available there. So that's another project that I'm working on. So anyway, that's where this is at. And if you aren't already, sign up for my newsletter. Just go to racetowalk.org and there's a newsletter, sign up. I'm really going to try to kind of keep people more up to date about stuff that's going on. And honestly, there's been so much stuff going on that sometimes sometimes it just seems like by the time I'm getting ready to send out the newsletter, it's already like multiple things have happened since then. And so my next big thing that I'm doing is I'm going to have an event coming up, a virtual event coming up on April 9th called Restoring Hope, Celebrating Resilience. And it's going to be a 4-hour live stream listening to stories of sexual abuse survivors and also looking at what we can do in the church to help people in their path to healing. And if you could share that with your friends, I would super appreciate it. But that's what's going on with me. I hope you are having a great 2022. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.